Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed mixed on Monday, with the Dow Jones closing up, while the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, they closed down. Banks, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, and the automobiles and components sectors, they managed to be the best performers on the day. This while at the same time software and services, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, as well as media, those sectors, they were the worst performers of the session. Now, on the economic docket, the monthly federal budget deficit increased to a total of $864.1 billion in June. This all as 55% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, JP Morgan reported second quarter adjusted revenue up 14% from a year earlier to $33.82 billion. Netflix downgraded from buy to neutral over at UBS. Meanwhile, in expectations today, we have results from both Citigroup as well as Wells Fargo. While on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have the NFIB Business Index, and we also have the Red Book for July 11th. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin. That sees its key resistance 3177. The Nasdaq sees its resistance at a total of 10,715. And that's in focus. As long as 10,715 is the resistance, look for choppy price action with a bearish bias. Short positions below 10,715 are favored, with targets at 10,560 and 10,500 in extension. This while the Dow Jones sees its key resistance at 26,220.